Solar power works by absorbing sunlight with photovoltaic cells, generating electricity. This then flows through the home's electrical panel and is distributed accordingly. Solar power mechanism. 1. The sun emits solar radiation that can be captured and turned into useful forms of energy, such as heat and electricity, using a variety of technologies. 2. The sun's rays contact the solar panel, and an electric field is created which flows from the silicon cells to the edge of the panel, and into the conductive wire. 3. The conductive wire delivers the electricity to an inverter. Here the electricity is converted from DC to AC, which is used to power buildings, vans, and motorboats. 4. Once the electricity has been converted to AC, another wire transports the electricity to a breaker box which distributes the electricity throughout the building as required. Advantages: electricity bills, applications, maintenance costs and technology development. Saving on the electricity bill, and receiving payments for the surplus energy. Solar energy can be used to produce electricity in areas without access to the energy grid. Solar energy systems generally don't require a lot of maintenance. Most reliable solar panel manufacturers offer 20 to 25 years warranty. Technology in the solar power industry is constantly advancing and improvements will intensify in the future. Innovations in quantum physics and nanotechnology can potentially increase the effectiveness of solar panels. Disadvantages: cost, weather, solar energy storage, space and pollution. The initial cost of purchasing a solar system is fairly high, includes paying for panels, inverter, batteries, wiring. Although solar energy can still be collected during cloudy and rainy days, the efficiency of the solar system drops. Solar panels are dependent on sunlight to effectively gather solar energy. Solar energy has to be used right away or stored in large batteries. Both solar outputs are costly to the owner. The more electricity you want to produce, the more solar panels you will need, as you want to collect as much sunlight as possible. There are toxic materials and hazardous products used during the manufacturing process of solar photovoltaic systems, which can indirectly affect the environment.